I'm the clan leader, and so I can't. I really want to know, but I really can't. And it was really frustrating talking with these people and teaching them and seeing them really grasp hold and, wow, this is true, I can feel it, and then them not being able to do anything with it. One experience that I had is we were teaching, so it was in the United States, but we had little colonies of people, of Hmong people, and I was in the town and I was teaching. We got a call from our mission president that said, hey, this next week, we need you guys to go and to sit in a single,